Hello everyone, this is Manikanta Belde. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to learn any book effectively and in very less time. And it takes less than 1 hour to read more than one book. And I'm going to give you some tips and how to do this at the end of this video. So let's dive in. There are tons of books in this world and this life is not enough to learn all those books. Even if you learn continuously, you won't complete learning all the books, and every day several books keep coming, and that's why there are some simple methods or ways that you can use to learn as many books as possible. Reading a book consumes a lot of time, but this busy world made it impossible for many people to read in their daily lives. Therefore, they are giving up reading. Even though they have to read, for such people, these methods work like charm. These methods are effective and they save you a lot of time. These methods even make it possible for you to learn so many books in less time. This way you can get more knowledge in less time. These methods will create an interest in learning more every day. Before sharing these methods, I want to tell you about the importance of learning books. Learning books improves the quality of your thoughts and your life. And this learning helps you experience more than one life, as you are learning even others' thoughts and experiences from books. There are 3 effective methods which you can use to learn as many books as possible in less time. Few may know these methods already and many don't know these methods, and therefore they can use these methods to learn books effectively. Method 1. Video reviews for books. You'll find many reviews on all popular books on the internet. These videos cover mostly everything from books. All important things will be shared in the video reviews, saving you time. These reviews help you not waste time on unimportant things or less important things from the books, therefore giving you what is necessary and making the learning simple and effective. The video reviews length range from a few minutes to less than an hour mostly. This helps you save time and learn more than one book in an hour, which is great. Even though it's fascinating to learn a book in less time, you may miss many ideas from the book as the video moves on, or you may forget what you learned. Therefore, the best way to learn effectively is to take notes on paper, laptop, or tablet or smartphone. This helps you remember and recap the lessons or ideas from the book effectively. Method 2. Audiobooks. I hope many of you know audiobooks. Nowadays, most books are turned into audiobooks, and you'll find many popular books in audio format, and you can listen to these audiobooks while traveling or while commuting. Even while working, you can listen to these audiobooks, and also even audiobooks are turned into different chapters, and therefore you can choose a topic from your book and listen to it. There are services that provide this service, and Amazon is most popular provider for audio content, and you can have a trial over there. You can listen to many popular audiobooks over there for free for 1 month or something. These audiobooks can be forwarded while listening, or you can skip uninteresting chapters and listen and understand the book faster. It's advisable to listen to audiobooks in a calm space so that you will understand clearly what you are listening to. Method 3. Book summaries. There are several people who publish book summaries which are short and long in form, and there are several reports you can refer on the internet. These summaries or reports have all the information about the book you want to read. Mostly, the important ideas and information is presented in these books. Therefore, you can finish reading them fast. You'll find summaries for mostly all popular books, and there is no exception. These 3 methods help you save more time and learn many books effectively, and therefore you can apply the methods or ideas you learn instantly in your life, which is amazing. For video reviews, I actually prefer YouTube. You can just go onto the YouTube and search the book name along with adding review, and you'll find so many people posting the book reviews on particular book, and they're sharing all the ideas from that book. And whereas for audiobooks, you can go onto the Google and you can search for audiobooks. There are several services that offer you free trials. You can use them at the beginning, and which works best for you, choose that service. Written summaries or book reports, you can just go onto the Google and search book name plus summary or report, and you'll get instantly so many results pouring out, and you can select one from that and learn from it, and this makes easy for you to read. So I'm speaking here about learning the books, not about reading the books, because learning is more important. Whereas reading, many people read thousands of books, but they don't apply it or they don't learn anything from books. They forget it. But learning is very important, and therefore I'm sharing how to learn faster. So happy learning. If you like my video, just click on this like button, and if you want to know about more updates on my channel, you can subscribe to my channel. And see you soon. Thank you.